If you've ever wondered how to make your money work for you, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Set clear investment goals. Our first step is to set clear investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or simply building wealth? Defining your goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Step 2. Understand risk tolerance. Consider how comfortable you are with the ups and downs of the market. This will guide your asset allocation and investment choices. Step 3. Choose the right investment accounts. Now, let's move on to Step 3. Choosing the right investment accounts. Options like IRAs and brokerage accounts serve different purposes, so pick the ones that align with your goals. Step 4 emphasizes the importance of diversifying your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to manage risk. Step 5. Start investing and stay informed. Our final step is to start investing and stay informed. Begin by investing in a way that matches your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed by reading, watching financial news, and monitoring your investments. In conclusion, investing doesn't have to be intimidating, especially for beginners. By setting clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, choosing the right accounts, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed, you can embark on your investment journey with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal finance and investing.